We've got rain and snow in the forecast today, some cooler days ahead, and a rather active weather pattern this week that brings a lot of rain and snow to much of the region. And it all kind of starts this morning. Right now here in town, we sit at 31 degrees. Coeur d'Alene's at 26. Sandpoint at 30. You move out into central Washington, you're in the mid 30s. 31 there in Wenatchee. Down in Pullman and Moscow, you're right at freezing this morning. We do have some winter weather advisories in place, basically Wenatchee, all the way up to the Canadian border, and then all the way out through the Okanagan Highlands. And that's where you're talking 1 to 3 inches of snow. Now, I know that doesn't sound like much, but when you're talking a Monday morning, it is a bit. It's just enough to kind of say, ugh, everything's going to, my coat's still messed up from trying to crawl all sneakily. Everything's going to just kind of have bigger impacts because it is a Monday morning. Just ask anyone who lives at my house. Getting out the door on a Monday morning is difficult. And so you add a little snow, it makes it a little more. So just know Wenatchee, you're kind of in it through the middle part of the day. Up near Omak, you're in it as well. You're going to see a little more of that activity later on tonight. Here in Spokane, it's going to be rain. We're just way too warm to get snow out of this one. Even as we get that colder air moving in overnight, it's really not going to arrive in time for that to transition over to snow unless you're in North Idaho. Here in Spokane, it's just going to be basically all rain. All said and done, if you do see snow, it's less than an inch here in town. Even those higher elevation areas not picking up much. Coeur d'Alene, less than an inch as well. Not until you get, say, up and over 4,000 feet. That's pretty high. Are you going to find snow? And that even includes up and over places like Wallace, Silver Valley, Kellogg, Lookout Pass. It's just going to take a lot, or you got to go farther off to the north. Temperatures up near 40 degrees later on today, 43 in St. Mary's, 41 in Pullman, mid 40s in Moses Lake and Ritzville. You're heading over Snoqualmie Pass. Our nasty weather is kind of taking a slight break, so you got good news, but expect more snow as that moves in today. Snow today, and as we head through the day tomorrow, kind of a chance thereof across much of the inland northwest, but the active weather pattern continues. So today is our warmest day by a long shot. We're up in the 40s, but by tomorrow we top out near freezing, and with high temperatures near freezing for the rest of the week and overnight lows down in the 20s, it's likely our next storm system moving in Wednesday into Thursday has a decent shot at bringing us some snow, and then another one, on Saturday.